Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be making a flavorful twist on a Jamaican classic. We will be talking about why lentils and rice can be an incredible alternative to traditional Jamaican rice and peas. Lentils are a nutritional powerhouse which originated in the Middle East. While lentils are not a traditional Jamaican ingredient, there are many reasons you should incorporate it into your diet. So why should you consider lentils and rice over the traditional Jamaican rice and peas? First of all, lentils and rice cook up much faster than traditional rice and peas, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. The second reason is that it's easy to prepare, so whether you're a novice cook or an experienced cook, lentils got you covered. Lentils are also incredibly versatile and can be paired with a variety of flavors and ingredients, allowing you to get creative in the kitchen. The first step is to wash your lentils well. Trash and lentils that are not good will float to the top. Unlike red peas, you do not need to soak lentils to reduce the cooking time. I usually wash the lentils until all debris has been removed. Now let's talk about the fantastic health benefits that come with this dish. Lentils are packed with plant-based protein, which help you meet your protein needs. They are also high in fiber, iron, vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. Lentils are low in fat and contains no cholesterol, so they are great for heart health. The high protein and fiber content in lentils will help you feel full, so it's good for weight management and blood sugar control. Today I'm using powdered coconut milk, but you can use canned coconut milk or freshly squeezed, which is the best. Besides the health benefits, there are good economical reasons to eat lentils. The first reason is that they are budget friendly and very affordable, which make them perfect for those looking to save money. The second reason is that they have a long shelf life, so you can buy them in bulk without worrying about spoilage. Another reason is that lentils are versatile, so they can be used in a variety of dishes from soups to salads. We should always make health a priority because our physical and mental attitude towards our health determines our quality of life. The garlic, scallion, and onions that I'm adding to the dish also enhance the nutritional value. We have to remember that health is wealth. If you made the sacrifice to create wealth, then you should make sure that you can enjoy it. To maximize the health benefits of lentils, make sure that you cook them thoroughly. The butter I am using is made from olive oil. Make sure that you choose quality ingredients to make the most of the dish. Now, flavor is a very big part of Jamaican cuisine, so you know I'm going to season the pot. Thyme is one of those ingredients that is underrated. It adds so much flavor and nutritional value to the dish. I also like to add complete seasoning for extra flavor and a little bit of garlic salt because the dish already has salt. Now stir well to distribute the flavors and let it come to a boil. While you wait for the lentils to come to a boil, it's a good time to start washing your rice. I am using white rice today, but to make this dish healthier, you can use brown rice, quinoa, or any other type of grain. You should always wash your rice thoroughly. I usually wash it until the water runs clear. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can also share the video with family and friends who will benefit from the information that I share. Make sure you drain as much water as possible from the rice before you add it to the pot. Now it's time to add the rice to the pot. The Scotch bonnet that I add to the pot is optional, but as you know, most Jamaicans don't cook without it. Make sure you stir the rice once you add it to the pot so that the seasonings and spices can be evenly distributed. The smell of this dish is amazing. If you decide to try it, let me know in the comments what you think about this dish. Now that all your ingredients are in the pot, cover and let it steam. Once the pot comes to a boil, you will want to reduce the temperature to let the rice steam without burning. You will also need to check it periodically to make sure that it's cooking evenly. If you are looking for a delicious, nutritious and budget-friendly meal, then lentils and rice check all the boxes. Health should always be a priority, but you should never have to sacrifice flavor. So the next time you're thinking about preparing a Jamaican-inspired meal, consider this flavorful alternative. It is quick, easy and nutritious, and it won't break the bank. At this stage, I am checking to see if all the water has been absorbed in the rice. It may need some more time to steam, but you will have to check the grains of the rice to see if it is cooked. If you have made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. After a few more minutes of steaming, the rice is ready to be served. This dish can be served with any meat kind or vegetables for a complete meal. If you enjoyed today's video and are excited to try out lentils and rice, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and healthy eating tips. Thanks for watching. Before you go, check out the bonus clip at the end of the video. Also, leave me a comment on what you will be eating with this dish. Today I will be serving it with some Jamaican-style chicken and some pop chow on the side. Very delicious. I hope you will enjoy. Now check out this clip of Doctor's Cave Beach in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.